Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Never supported. Trinamool never supported me.
Voters.
Who the hell told you Trinamool supported me?
Voters.
But voters.
Voted in favor.
Voters of the
Voters, I'm telling you. Voters, and then definitely it's the, it's the divine intervention. I'm telling you, it's the God Himself who has given me, blessed me right now. Trinamool, forget the Trinamool Congress and them.
No, but
Was there any-
BJP also they say that
I'm talking about the certain people, Oh yes, what BJP?
even BJP.
Anybody can speak anything, brother. Just because anybody speaks everything doesn't mean that we are not accepting. Nobody has supported us, brother. Only people and the Lord Himself.
Okay, another factor, BJP aligning with NPP, that has one way indirectly helped you.
Which one?
BJP aligning with.
No.
NPP.
It's the people only. I don't want to give it to any party, any credit to any party. It's the people. It's the people. And the church leaders and the people.
So what will be your contribution to Karo Hills at the center?
Whatever in my strength, I will diligently and purely deliver everything, whatever power will be given to me, 100% to my people and to protect my religion.
How do you see India lands?
In the name of God, of course.
How do you see?
What?
I mean, the oath taking, when will be likely?
Vote taking?
Yeah.
They haven't given the date yet.
How do you see the India alliance? Because so many parties coming together, and now all of you will be sitting in the opposition.
We are showing the true color of democracy, and then we are showing the true spirit of democracy. So we are sticking together. I think we will not be, how would you say, we will not be tempted by any offer given by the BJP or NDA.